Choosing A level subjects can feel overwhelming for both students and parents. What if you make the wrong choice? What if it limits university options? In this video, we will walk you through what you need to know so you and your child can make confident, informed decisions. Hi, ma'am. How are you?
I'm good, thank you. How are you?
I'm too good. Ma'am, why is subject choice in A level is so important?
Because in A level, they specialize in subjects. While they were in their IGCSE or grade 10, they were trying to get a broad understanding of different subjects. So children even choose up to 9 subjects. Whereas now that they have to decide their career, their university options, and even, let's say, their sponsorship paths, they need to focus on 3 or 4 important subjects.
Ma'am, our next question is how many subjects should a student take?
Most children, when they are in their AS and A level, take 3 subjects, which is excluding English. Some children who want to still explore and are unsure about which universities they want to enter can even take 4 subjects in your A level as they are exploring their interests. So at Level Up, we help parents and children choose these subjects for them based on their aptitude, their willingness to take up more workload, and also their career goals.
Ma'am, one main question. How do I help my child choose the right subjects?
So I would say start with 3 basic questions. What is your child naturally good at? What do they enjoy learning the most? And what are their long term career interests? So, for example, a child who wants to choose medicine should take physics, chemistry, and biology. A child who wants to pursue engineering needs math, physics, and chemistry. But for someone who wants to do law or journalism, they could choose English literature, psychology, global perspectives. So, I would say come to Level Up, sit with a mentor or advisor. We help you through this exact process. We sit with the parents and the child, understand what is their aim, and help them choose their subjects accordingly.
Excellent, ma'am. Okay, what if my child is unsure about their career path?
That's completely all right. Most students who are 16 years old don't know what they want to do 4 years down the line. So, in such cases, we help them pick subjects from different groups as it opens multiple pathways for them. For example, we could advise a child to do math, economics, and psychology so that there is a combination of STEM subjects as well as a social science stream. Therefore, he has more university options open. So it is important also that we don't advise children to do subjects that are very varied and that they complement each other, as the child can draw a thread of relation between the subjects they choose.
Ma'am, are some subjects considered stronger than others?
Yes, subjects like math and further math are considered strong subjects because they are facilitating subjects. They allow for university entry in an easy manner for most students. But that doesn't mean subjects like global perspectives or business are not considered important. So, what matters the most is, are the subjects aligned with the student's career goals? Does the child enjoy learning? Of course, that's the most important. And can they score well in whatever subjects they have chosen?
What kind of support do students receive at Level Up for A levels?
So, like I have mentioned in the earlier videos, we offer both online and offline support to students. Our offline centers are located at Chennai, Bangalore, and Thoothukudi. So, firstly, we help children pick subjects through the initial counseling sessions that we encourage both parents and children to attend. Then we provide subject specific support. We have experienced teachers who are also Cambridge examiners, so they can help children score well. Once the exams are done, we also help them prepare for university entrance exams like SAT, IELTS, JEE, etc. We also help in university placements for students who are interested in studying abroad. So we have a team of experts who take care of each of these services at Levi.
Wow, this is the kind of support that parents are looking for.
Yes.
Can you give us a final thought for parents?
Yes. So I would say support your children. Don't choose for them. You can guide them, facilitate them, but let them take ownership of their own learning process. We have helped many families year on year through this transition by giving them the right support with the right people at the right time. So seek support from us in case you are unsure.
Thank you so much, ma'am.
Welcome.
Need help choosing A-level subjects? Get in touch with us at www.levelupglobal.in or visit our centers at Chennai and Bangalore. We are here to help you and your child make the right start. Subscribe for more IGCSE and A-level tips.